Oh,
Andre, I
hold
thought
on.
my chair
across the
twerking
room on
right
accident.
now.
I'm gonna use
Like-
one.
Somehow it came off.
Boogers.
Got you?
Wait,
Well,
bro,
we're
can I say
playing
something?
Nutcracker.
Can I say, Spider, can I say something? Spider. Asteroid!
Wait, do you guys want to play minigames?
No!
Aw, right now?
Dude, can I say something?
My headset's almost dead.
No!
Yes,
I'm
keep
not gonna
burping, bro. I have to leave,
not
bro.
gonna-
I'm sorry, but keep burping. Everybody keep burping in this guy's ear.
I can do it on command. Hold on. Wait, I'm gonna show you a real burp. He's mesmerized. It's not that funny. It's not that funny. It's not that funny. He said, they're just talking. Donkey! You donkey! No, he's snorting, bro! Now you're a Discord mod! Bro snorting! Bro, calm down with the snorting! I don't even remember what you did! All I did was just burping. Like, bro, this is all I did. I'm gonna show you what I did. Come here. Look, hold on. I'm gonna show you a real burp. This is the true burp.
Pig.
Here's the true burp.
Pig.
Wait, dude, come here. Come here. Come here.
I don't know.